In this video, I will show you how to fix Wi-Fi loss or the red blinking light. So usually this problem is caused by fiber cable problem, cable is loose, bent, cut, or damaged, connector not fully plugged into the router on tank, and a million more problems. Here is the firstly solution. Unplug the router from the power supply and give it 5 to 10 minutes to reboot and plug it back in. Ensure you completely unplug it from the power supply to enable it reboot. And wait for it to reboot. I will not wait the 10 minutes since I have to show you method 2, but in case it fails long, press the button on the back of the router till it restarts and it is able to reset. That is method 2. Ensure the router restarts, and if still it does not work, try again multiple times or give it an hour break and come back. In case all fails, contact your Wi-Fi support team. Then the issue is there. Thank you.